Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. And now I would like to make a demo and tutorial mix video again. It's about robotic material. Now the name of the title my project is about mesh solving. So the tiny bit will fix the maze. I will show you later for the demo video in the last. So now let's start. Go to Google Chrome and search mycodemicrobit.org and go to new project. The name is mesh solving. Create. After that, we can go to variable. Make a new variable. The name is Pola. Pola. After that, later I will give you the link GitHub for the tag extension TinyBit. So after you go to the GitHub, there is a code sign green, a green sign code. You can click. There is a link. We can copy and go to extension in mycodemicrobit and paste the. Paste the link and this there is a link. The extension and then we can click. Okay, ready. Now for the basic, go to basic. Now show icon. Click, take a show icon and put on start. So later in the first tiny bit do it is show the icon first. After that, go to variable and set pola to 0. So later the tiny bit in the first he will do it show the icon love and set pola to 0. After that, we can go to logic and there is if then we can take and put in forever. After that, go to logic cooperation. Wait, sorry. Ah, sorry. We can amount that we can go to variable again pola and pola and 0. What's the name this? Amount 0. After that, I will give explanation little. So for the on start, the first tiny bit will do is show the icon love and so set pola to 0, right? And forever. So the pola will go to the 0 because we already set for the first. And then we can go to loops. There is a while. We can take and put in under. After that, we can. Sorry. Why this zoom? Wait. Whiles. And then we can go to logic again, cooperation, and take this and put in false. And there is a smaller than. Smaller than. We can go to advanced, and there's a control. There's a mills and take a mills. For the first is 500. 500. 500. What the first? So after the pola already to 0, the tiny bit while mill is 5,000. 5,000 is 5 seconds, right? Mill is pause ms. Mill is ms. So when while the mill is 5 seconds, the tiny bit will go to tiny bit and car control speed run to 80. After that, we can what's the name? go to logic again and take the if then, and we will go to tiny bit again and take the line sensor directly state value, like that, and put in true. And for the left state, the first one is strike state and the value black, and car control speed spin right 225, and after that put in under while set pola to 1. Okay, so I explain first, uh, and in on start, the first tiny bit do it is show icon develop and set pola to 0 and forever, because already set, so the first pola will be 0, and while the tiny bit doing mills until 5 seconds, the tiny bit will run, the speed is 80. After that, if the right sensor in tiny bit detect the black line, the tiny bit will spin right with a speed to 155. Sorry, and after that, after finish, we'll set pola to 1, and then in this if then there is a plus sign, plus logo. We can click. Nah, there is a plus logo again. We click again. Okay. So that we can go to logic again, go to cooperation, put this. After that, go to variable again, go to pola, and pola with 1. So now for the second pola is 1, because we already set the pola 1 in before. Okay. After that, we can go to loops again and take the while, put in under, and go to logic again and click cooperation and change to smaller than. So that we can go to variable again, pola, take pola in, put in left, and now kok pola, sorry, I mean go to control, take mills, and now for the second mills is 8,000 or 8 second, and we can go to tiny bit. There's a car control speed, we can take it, put in under, and the speed is 100, and we can go to logic again, take the if then, put in under car control speed. Sorry. And we can go to tiny bit again. There is a line sensor direct, we can take it and put in true, left state, and go to take to left state. Why this speed one? Sorry, speed 100 in this left step, and for the value black. So for the second pola, it's the left sensor tiny bit will detect the black line, and we can duplicate from this, and car control speed, spin left, the speed is 255, spin left. Okay, and go to variable again, set pola to 2, set pola to 2. Okay, sorry, and then we can click plus again. Yes, just same. Wait, Go to logic, operation, and make Pola 2. And car controller run, and if take up if then put in else is line for the second Pola, the line sensor is right state and value black, and for the spin left we can change to spin right, and for the car control speed is 100, and then we can click plus again, and this for the oh yeah, forget sorry uh sorry, go to loops and take a whiles, put in here, okay, and take log and go to logic operation this, and change to smaller than, go to control mills 11,000 1,000, okay. After that we can go to variable, set Pola to 3, set Pola to 3. What I want to check first. Okay, ready, and then we can go to logic again, take cooperation in the top, and go to variable, take the Pola, the shape I mean, and take the Pola, and for the 0 we change to 3, and go to loops, take a while, that go to tiny bit, car control speed 100, oh yeah, and go to logic, take a compression smaller than again, change to smaller than this, there's the one there is a line in under the smaller the logo. So that go to control mills and put in left, it's 15 500, and go to if then, take if then, put in under car control speed 1, on speed run, and oh sorry, not 15, I mean 14 500, okay. After that we can go to logic again, take this, wait, oh no, go to tiny bit I mean, and take a line sensor direct, it's left side and value black, value black, and go to tiny bit again, car control speed, change to spin left, and the speed is 255, and for the two last, you can go to variable, set Pola to 4, and we can for the last code go to tiny bit, car control speed stop, okay. I will explain. For the first on start, the tiny bit will do show icon love and will set Pola to 0, and forever, because we already set the Pola will become 0, and while after the Pola setting to 0, the tiny bit, while the mills is 5 seconds, the tiny bit will do car control speed run with a speed 80, so he will run after run if there's a black line in right state, the tiny bit will uh will spin right with a speed to 155, and also set pola to 1 in in the zero pola. After set, uh, after that, if the pola 1, why 1? Because we already set in before make this code for the next paragraph. And after 1, while the mills do until 8,000 or 8 seconds, the tiny bit will run with a speed 100. And if in left state there is a black line, the tiny bit will spin left with a speed 255 and will set pola to 2. Yeah, the second pola lah. So that in the second pola, while 11 second in tiny bit, the tiny bit will do in 11 second, I mean the tiny bit will run with in the line, will run with 100 speed. After that, if there is in right state black, the car control speed will spin right, because right state spin right, and will set pola to 3. And for the third pola, while the second is 14.5 second, the tiny bit will run with 100 speed, and if less state black and car control speed, will spin left 2055 until finish. So let's set pola to 4. Why I must set to pola 4, but there is no pola? Because this kan there's for the example in on start, set pola to 0. After that, the next is already make the if then the pola are ready to 0, like that. Because the 4 there is no, so else car control speed stop, because there is no the 4th pola, so the tiny bit will stop. Okay, maybe I hope you understand for my explanation. I'm sorry for the mistake. Now I will show you the video the tiny bit will run. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, now it's time for the demo video. Later I will mix for the tutorial. I put in the last. Now for the after put the code in the microbit, we will start. So there is two shape in here. There's a start and the finish. This for the start, this for the finish. Okay, and then there we can put in here. Okay, before we already make the pola with variable, right? So for the first pola or 0 is here. This for the first pola, second pola there, this, and then this that this 0 0 1 2 3. Okay, so for the pola 0 or the first pola, there's 4 pola, right? Will the tiny bit will spin right, that spin left, spin right, spin left. Okay, we try. Open. We already made, and we'll show icon and smile. Okay. As you can see, and we make a set pola with 4, right? And then we will not make the set pola 4 because that's we will use the else. So if there's no the set pola, he will stop in here. It finished. Okay, I will show you again. This is the first pola, second pola, third pola, and the fourth pola. Okay. Maybe that's all for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.